Welcome to the video. You're here because you want to know how to make money from home, as a single mom, stay-at-home mom, or a single dad, stay-at-home dad. And I want you to know, before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe, comment, thumbs up, and share this with someone you may need it, because this information is going to be big and we're going to make this video quick so I don't waste a lot of your time. But before we get into the meat and potatoes, I want you to know that I was a stay-at-home dad when everything happened about 2 years ago. I had to give up my job, my high-paying job. And I chose to stay home because, I was already into these, work from home, stay at home programs and jobs. So I had something that I could actually do if I stayed home. So I hit the ground running, and I just want you to know that I've been in your shoes. My bills aren't cheap. I have 2 kids. So I know exactly what you're going through. And maybe you have a husband or a wife who brings the bread home. Or maybe you're in the situation that I was in, who you both, kind of were making, decent money. But when one of those incomes were dropped, you can feel it. So the reason why I bring programs such as this one, Nexus Rewards, short for NXR, is because, yes, people talk about a lot of free things because this is a paid ultimate cashback referral program. But people talk about a lot of free things, but what's going to happen is those things are going to get you peanuts. There's going to be a lot of things, and a lot of those free programs, and some of those apps are going to actually be included. But a lot of those free programs are just, pretty much getting you to do the leg work that they usually have to dish out a lot of money. Meaning, if there's something that's telling you to, go somewhere and audit it, they usually have to pay people a lot of money to do their job. So by them paying you a few dollars, which is, a few dollars, they can cut their costs down for their business. But it's good that they have these programs for people who don't have a lot of money. So in this membership, you're going to have those free apps, but you're going to have 2 paid apps, and we're going to get right into it. So to get right into the meat and potatoes, I don't have to have you wait to the end. How much is this thing going to cost? It's going to cost you $21.95 for this cashback, these apps, $10 one-time setup fee. So $31.95 first month. After that, $21.95, $21.90 and some change. So about the cost of a Planet Fitness membership. I know because I have one that I've been paying on and I haven't been using in years. So when they say pocket change, money is money, but compared to all these other programs, we can say this is affordable. You can pay this most likely every single month and it won't hurt you. So these are the founders, etc. I'm going to blow through this thing because you already know what this program is. It's a rewards program. So we don't have to really go through all the basics. So pay off bills, enjoy family vacations. That's the goal when getting into any of these things. You see they touch on, the odds are stacked against success, 90 to 99%. Hard to sell and convince. With a lot of these programs, pretty much what they're saying is it's hard to get your money back. It's hard to get profit because you come in. And I have a lot of programs on my page that, take serious and real marketers to promote. And they're not for the everyday person. But this is very inexpensive, and it's a savings reward cashback program. Everyone's shopping, buying groceries, getting gas. So it's not really much to explain. That's why I'm going to be blowing through this thing right here. The 3 essential expenses: gasoline, groceries, medications, and they have apps and websites to get discounts, cashback, and coupons on all of these things. So get paid to buy gas. We have an app, a free app included that's going to allow you to get paid to get gas. I tried it. It works. But what's going to happen is when you refer people to this platform, which is cool to have these apps under one home, it's because you're going to be able to put your referral code from these free apps and paid apps. Well, the paid apps, you're already, linked just off of the membership. But the free apps, you're going to be able to put your referral code in. So every time someone creates an account and gets the membership, they're going to also be able, when they get these apps, they're going to get them through your referral link. So for this one, you're going to get 15 cents a gallon per referral, 1 cent a gallon plus 1 cent a gallon for every gallon that person buys forever, plus 1.5 cents per gallon, 1/2 cent per gallon on all of their referrals. That's just, that's just ultimate referral. But you don't have to overthink that. Pretty much you're going to get more gallons off of your gas, more cents off of your gallon, just from being in this program and bringing people into it. Get paid to eat and drink. So some of these apps, one of the apps specifically, instead of paying, your debit card or cash for your food, what you're going to do is you're going to add your debit card or credit card to the app. It's going to give you a gift card. So for example, say your meal is $50. You're going to buy a $50 gift card in this app, and that's what you're going to use to pay. And you're going to get cash back. It's going to tell you how much, per restaurant, per store. You're going to get cash back. So every time you do things you're going to do on a daily basis, and it depends on, you see the different stores. So it depends on, it's not in every single store, but as you see, there's a lot of them. So one of the apps you're going to be able to, at most places, buy that gift card within the apps, them scanning, you're going to get cash back every time you eat, drink, shop, etc. So we are in, a few countries. The apps and the locations and the savings are different per country. So everything is not going to be for every country, but get up to 80% off of medications. Sometimes they say it's even better than the co-payment. Average yearly savings through these apps, $4,900, which is powerful. That's a quarter of what some people are making, through the whole year. And they're saving back on all the things that you're doing on a daily, weekly basis. Daily, weekly, monthly. Tools to share. So they're just saying we have some tools in there. We have a thing in the back end where you can get your own capture pages. That's more marketing. You don't really have to worry about that right away. But it's just showing that there are some resources to promote this thing. And I've been in this industry for 8 years. So something like this is not hard to promote, especially with all these platforms. You probably know 5 people right now that can afford this and could use this. Get rewards when you refer others. So upfront cash, you have $10 per month on personal referrals. And, they have some building a team incentives, 10-level referral program, leadership infinity payouts, dynamic compression. So this is things that you don't have to master, but you're going to be able to leverage a team in this and get some upfront money. So upfront money means when you refer a customer, you're going to get paid some upfront money, which is that $10. And it's a low commission because the cost of the membership is so low. If we had a membership that was $700, this would be better, or higher, I should say. And to briefly blow through this, because like I said, this is something that you don't have to memorize. It's just showing when you build a team what's going to happen. The more you refer, you see you're going to get some dollars and some cents, as you build a team. And like I said, these commissions are so low is because this is an inexpensive program. Nexus Rewards is affordable. Making money online is affordable with this program. So you see, as you go up in the ranks, you're building a team, and Pro 25 means you have 25 members in your team. So in your organization. So you see, it's peanuts, but you can see as you go up in the ranks, you can build down levels, and these peanuts will start to add up because, like I said, the membership's so expensive, so inexpensive. So people should be able to build a team pretty quickly. And this is just showing some how it breaks down. Dynamic compression, we're just going to briefly touch on that. That means, like, if you start building a team and say those people cancel the membership, say they cancel the membership, but there's people underneath them who decided to build a team, it means that whatever work they did is just going to pass up to, you or the next person, which in this case will be you. Say Bill came in and he referred somebody who built a big team and he decided to cancel his membership. All that work and those commissions are going to start going to you, all those residuals. So there's no spillage or breakage. And this is just showing you pretty much, there's a 2 pass up system. So your second and fourth referral that becomes, they get the membership, they pass up, and that's just a way to build leverage. They always throw those things in. So when you build a team, their second and fourth passes up to you. So that's a good thing. Like I said, we're going to breeze through this because you don't have to memorize a lot of the things. I spend most of my time on what the program offers from a service and product standpoint. And this is some other back end, when after you're 6 months in the program, they have another way you can get paid, which is like a matrix form, check match. You bring a certain amount of people in, you can earn 100% check match. I want to say what they do in the matrix. So that's just some down the road things. It's just, I like to touch on everything. They have some products in the back end you can earn up to 20% on. This is just an addition. They added some products they have partnered in the background. So you can check those out if you want. They have a global bonus pool, and we're just closing out with this. So the 4 phases of growth, formulation, concentration, momentum, and stability, everything needed for success. So, you know, you have cash back on everything, which this is how you're going to get your money back. 80% off prescriptions. The membership's very low cost. So, you know, after 2-3 sales, you break even and your membership's pretty much free. Well, it is free because 3 sales are going to get you $30. Your membership's only $21.95. Showing you how much you get, you know, $10 per month for referring. So say, for example, you get those 3 referrals, you're going to get paid that money the following week. But also, if those members stay every month, you're going to get paid that $30 every single month. So you see, as you build a team, you're going to be building a residual income that can possibly pay off, you know, some bills, maybe be full-time income for you down the road. And we're just touching in on everything we talked about. Training and support. They do lives. We have a team. And like I said, I have hours and years of experience in this program. So this is some of the founders, the people that got on in the beginning. And these apps that are partnered, these paid apps, they have been around for years and years. And this is, you know, Nexus Rewards. This is how to make money from home as a single mom, single dad, without, you know, having to jump through loops with all these free things and all these things on the internet. This is how you get to the meat and potatoes, referring, you know, having a product or service and being in business for yourself. Solving problems, you know, touching on pain points and giving people something that they need. And that's how you want to make your money in 2022, 2023. Have a great day. Thank you for watching this video. All the information will be in the description, my contact information, number, emails, etc. If you want to get on the phone, just give me a text first so I know exactly what we're getting on the phone about if you have a few more questions. But this is a very inexpensive program. Try it out. Try the apps out. Even if you don't refer it, be a customer. You know, just grab the membership and just use the paid apps. And because, like I said, there's things you do on a daily basis, especially for my people who love to save money. This is something for you guys. Have a great day.